Good evening, class.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
I don't know if you are seeing the screen I'm sharing. Can you?
Yes, we can
we are
see the
seeing-
screen.
Okay, that's okay. That's good. Now, what I want us to do today, we're going to deal with the double entry concept. The double entry concept. And if I may ask, class, who can explain briefly what double entry concept is? Are you there?
Yeah, we are there.
Yes. I'm trying to finish up winding this presentation so that it may look a bit okay.
So I can say
Yes.
double-ended concept
Yes.
is a very crucial concept in accounting where
Yes.
for every credit transaction there must be a debit transaction and vice versa. It must affect for every transaction it must affect two accounts. That is the debit side and credit side.
That's good. That's very correct. The double entry concept is the foundation of modern bookkeeping and states that every financial transaction has an equal and opposite effect in at least two different accounts. Now, this one, which states that for every debit, there must be a credit. The total value of debits in a transaction must equal the value of credits. Are we together, class?
Yeah.
And now this brings
Yes.
us to where we come to the accounting equation, which states that assets is equals to liabilities plus what? Plus the owner's equity.
Or capital.
Yes. But as an accountant, you have to use, equity. It seems better that way. Yeah. Now let's go to an example. Let's imagine ourselves that a company buys office equipment at 1,000 shillings. Now, to explain the double entry concept, it means that the cash account, which is an asset, it decreases. So this one is credited on the credit side, and the office equipment, that is an asset, increases. So it is debited for Kenya shilling 1,000, and now the account now will balance. Are we together?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Now we are going to start from the trial balance, and also to actually understand how we prepare trial balance. Now, from the screen I've shared, I want one of you to read what is a trial balance.
A trial balance is an internal worksheet that lists all the debit and credit balances of a company's ledger accounts at a specific point in time. Its purpose is to verify the mathematical accuracy of the ledger by ensuring that the total debits equal to total credits.
Yes, that is the work of the trial balance. Now, if at any point, if you are actually calculating or you are putting your linear on your trial balance and it doesn't balance, then obviously you've done a mistake somewhere. So a trial balance ensures that when it ensures that there is mathematical accuracy of the ledger by ensuring that the total debits equal the total credits. So if this one can't balance, then there must be a problem. There is a problem or an error that you've done. Are we together? Tuko
Yeah.
pamoja?
Yeah.
Yes, yes. Now, I want us to learn on how we are going to prepare a trial balance. And simply this one, we have to go to an example now, I want us to consider the following statement as you are seeing at your screen of the company XYC as of September 30th, 2025. Mnaona hapo?
Yeah,
Now, the cash is 15,000. And cash, what do we do with cash? Do we debit or we credit?
we debit.
Now, we have another one here, accounts receivable, which is Kenya shilling 5,000. Do we debit it or we credit it?
We debit.
Now, if I may ask class, what is an accounts receivable? Who can briefly explain what an accounts receivable is?
Accounts receivables
Yes,
are money
yes,
owed to the business by customers. So they are
yes,
here to be paid.
yes, exactly. That is what we refer to as accounts receivable. Yaani ni deni customer wako nayo wanafaa wakulipe, sivyo? In layman's language. Now, another information down there, we have accounts payable, which we credit, and the amount there is 2,000. We have a capital, which we credit also at 12,000 shillings. We have sales revenue, which we also credit at 11,000 shillings. And we have an expense there, which is rent, and we debit rent at Kenya shilling 5,000. Now, next we are going to see how our trial balance is going to look. Now you can see how I've arranged there. We have debit side and the credit side, and then the account name. Ya kwanza pale is cash, which is 15,000, which we debit. The second one here is accounts receivable, which is 5,000, we debit. The third account is accounts payable, which we credit. And then the capital, which is 12,000, we credit also. The sales revenue, 11,000, we also credit that. And then the rent expense, that you're to debit at 5,000 shillings. Now, if you calculate all these subtotals it will amount to 25,000 shillings on both debit and credit. Are we together?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are we together then? Now, if this balances, then now now mathematically it shows that we are correct up to there, because if it didn't balance, then there is a mistake that we could have made. Are we together, class?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Now let's see here. Now the totals match, which confirms the mathematical accuracy of the ledger entries. Now, after we've done this, what we call a trial balance, now the next step that we want to do is to go to we are going now to use a trial balance to try and create what we call an income statement. Are we together?
Yes.
plus. Hello, are you there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Script is a bit heavy, so you have to bear with me. Yes, now that is the income statement. Remember, from our trial balance, we had a sales revenue ambayo ilikuwa 11,000. Are we together? Now we are going to less the expenses, and the only expense that we had on our trial balance was what?
Rent expense.
Yes, the rent expense. Now, if we are going to we less the sales, you less expenses, because that is the only information that we have on our trial balance. And when we do that, we get a net profit of Kenya shilling 10,000. So 11,000 minus 5,000, our net profit amounts to Kenya shilling 6,000. Are we together?
Yeah.
Now, after that, now we are going to come to our balance sheet from the information that we've been having of the company XYZ. And our balance sheet, this is now where we're going to meet our accounting equation, which states that assets is equals to liabilities plus the owner's equity. Are we together? Now, on our balance sheet, the only information that we're going to input there is assets, liabilities, and the equity. And then all the same, now we are going to use our accounting information, which states that assets is equals to liabilities plus equity. And if that one inakuja equal, then our accounting information will be okay. Are we together? Now, the assets that we have here, one of you to give me an example of an asset that we have on our trial balance on XYZ.
Cash.
Yes, cash. Another one,
We also have accounts receivables.
accounts receivable. Those are the only assets that we have. And the total amount of these assets is Kenya shilling 20,000. Sijui kama tunaona pale.
Yeah, we are
Yes.
seeing.
Okay, now let's go to liabilities. The liabilities that we have on our trial balance is accounts payable. Is there any other liability we have?
No.
Since other so total liabilities is Kenya shilling 2,000. Now we go to our equity, and the equity that we have there, number one, is the capital. The capital, which is Kenya shilling 12,000. Now, from capital, we are going also to add the net profit from our profit and loss account. And the net profit is Kenya shilling 6,000. So that amounts to 18,000. Are we together there? Yes.
Yeah.
Now, if you see now this this balance sheet for company XYZ, the total asset is Kenya shilling 20,000. Now we go to our accounting equation. Assets is equals to liabilities plus equity. All right.
Yeah.
Now our liabilities is Kenya shilling 2,000, and the total equity that we have is 18,000. So the total comes to 20,000. Are we together?
Yes.
So the assets is 20,000 and liabilities plus the owner's equity is 20,000. Now we have fulfilled our accounting equation and it remains in balance. Are we together there, class?
Yes.
Yes.
Now,
Yeah.
I'm sending, there is an hand here which has been raised by Kipkoech. You have a question? Arab Koech?
No, it was by mistake.
Okay, no problem. I'm sending some a question there, about 2 questions to a class rep. And I want you to do these questions. On our next class, we are going to discuss them because we are going to meet face to face. You know, sometimes when we are doing these calculations, when we are doing it online, most students don't understand them because they want, you know, you can't explain in detail so that they may understand. So the next class, when we're going to meet face to face, we are going to actually do more on this, the trial balance. Are we together?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. Now that is the end of our class today, and hope to see you in the next class.
Yes.
So
Kuna mwingine anafanya.
I hope you have a good night. Tuonane kesho wadau. Kuna mwingine?